Hi guys, it's my video, but look at that guy.
What's his name?
He's called Chef.
And what happened to his arm?
He just got his arm broke.
Yeah, how?
He got by in a shark.
Oh, okay, and who's your other guy?
Oh, he's Jeffrey the 122. He's 26.
Yeah.
Like, is your own 26? He's 27. No, he's actually a million.
His age is 1,000,000.
No,
That's old.
he's 1,000. But he's a kid, but he's like 1,000. But
Okay, that's cool.
he's a little
What's his favourite colour?
his favorite color is black, and his favorite color is black. This is how you really want to look at it. Look, this is how it really was being like this. Look there.
Oh my god, that's Sauvage.
Yeah, cause look, he's holding his hand on that.
That
And it
is
looks
so
like
cool.
He's holding the person, and look, he has no feet touching the ground.
That's amazing. Are you proud? Okay.
And look, it's moving and taking off.
Wow.
And I can come over the other side, or I can do that, or some else. We can do this. Look.
Oh, like a bridge.
Yeah, like a bridge, and it can be like this. It can be like this. It can be like that.
Cool, that's okay, I get it.
Huh?
That's okay. So it flies down, is it?
No, it does. You said quite have them and there.
Oh, excellent. Well done.
Bye guys.
Say bye. Say subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.